Hi sir, congratulations sa 4th TOGA or the Outstanding Guru Awards. Paano po nagsimula itong TOGA?
Nagsimula siya noong 2021 kay JCI Senator Nick Toribio. Tapos kinausap niya si director at that time, si JCI Manila President ngayon, si John Adrian Padernos, para i-pitch itong 10 Outstanding Guru Awards. Ito naman po ay para sa pag-empower ng mga teachers sa kanilang dedikasyon sa pagtulong sa mga estudyante nila at pag-improve to make them the best version out of themselves. So this is our way to appreciate them and show them public awareness na the teachers are the prime movers or silent architects of our society.
So sir, how do you select yung 10 outstanding guru?
So part of our program is, one is we started with the partnership with the Department of Education. So the Department of Education will send out a memo throughout the school division offices na ganitong program tayo and teachers would attend first. So yun po ang isa sa requirements natin. Then those teachers, if they want to apply for the Outstanding Guru Awards, they will provide testimonials about themselves as well as statements from their colleagues or teachers, kapwa teachers, former students, and yung mga parents ng students na yun. So those are supported so yun yung supporting documents nila on how we select the 10 outstanding guru awards.
Para kay Sir Brian naman po, gaano kahirap yung pagpili dun sa 10 winners? Kasi ang daming guro at ang dami ding mga magagahusay at magagaling na guro.
Yeah, sa sobrang sipag ng committee, we were able to do around 17 legs, So this amounted to around 4,500 teachers. So out of the 4,500 teachers, we selected 10. So it's a very stringent process, but we selected teachers all over the Philippines, and we're very much thankful to the panel for really filtering out yung mga sa tingin nila yung mga deserving for this year. All the teachers are deserving, but we only get to select 10, and we're very grateful and thankful that they showed up today.
Usually,
from the 4,500 po, diretso po ba siya sa 10 or may mga considerations pa kayong...
May considerations naman tayo. So it was filtered out by the committee, then sent to the panelists. The panelists really chose the 10 lucky winners for this year. Hopefully we get to replicate that yearly.
Yes.
And gaano kalalayo po yung mga teachers?
The winners now, one from Tuguegarao, Davao, Cagayan de Oro. So it's across the Philippines,
Yes,
all
across the
areas.
nation.
So,
Pinuntahan natin.
Pinuntahan po namin.
pero usually yung mga ilan na lang yung pinupuntahan mo.
Yes.
Yung mga
So part of the program po kasi, Sir Vix, is we have to make partnerships first. So that's where the Department of Education and the different JCI chapters around the Philippines help. Kasi sila po ang nakapag-arrange po na pag-encourage po ng teachers first to attend the event through the DepEd. Tapos sa mga JCI chapters naman po around the Philippines, sila po yung tumutulong sa pool or collate ng mga teachers sa isang lugar para doon po lalapag si JCI Manila, ma-train sila para pagbibigay ng senators.
So umikot din po talaga tayo sa Pilipinas para po mabigyan po natin ng advocacy talks, kung tawagin natin, itong mga teachers natin. And it's a requirement po for them to attend so we can introduce who we are as JCI Manila din before they be part of the awarding ceremony. We want to thank also our sister chapters, the Department of Education, of course, Sec. Sunny Angara, maraming salamat po sa suporta na binigay ninyo dito sa programa na to. And also, syempre, yung mga, aside from the teachers, we want to thank the chairman, of course, Marco Tauco, and the committee who has really poured out their heart and soul to this project. So maraming salamat.
Yes. And we started it to answer your question, we started it sa summer pa nga.
Summer.
Yes. Out of all places sa Philippines, sa summer pa kami simula. Which is around, we started around 300 teachers at that time.
Mga 300 teachers during that time.
When you start with partnerships po, anong klaseng partnership yung pinag-uusapan natin?
We have memorandum of understanding with the DepEd na nire-release nila so that this will give credibility to the program when we run the trainings or the advocacy talks.
Medyo marami rin to, 10. Pero in general po, ano yung parang collective na characteristics nila?
It's more on bringing the best version of their students, whether it is the current students or the past students. And most of the testimonials kasi is supported through the past students then. How they are right now and how they give their statements to their teachers, their sentiments about the teachers. So that's how we evaluate them about the 10,000 euros this year.
And this year parang may isang, wag mo yung youngest na parang 30 plus years old lang. Ano yung mga age range ng mga Pilipino yung winners? Since yung iba bata pa, wala pa masyado experience, paano yung napipili? Or may kasama bang yung mga 20 years old tayo, 20 plus years old?
Not really about the age. It's more on the part of the requirements is number of years, consecutive years kasi ang teaching experience. So if you're 22 tapos you did 23 years of consecutive experience, then you're also you're already qualified naman. But it's more on the impact kasi that they have on their students and their environment.
Gano'ng katagal yung process ng pagpili? Anong buwan?
I think it took a month, di ba?
Took a month. Yeah. Kasi after all the training legs, we closed the nominations already. We put a cut-off. Then during that time, the panel was very much stringent on selecting who deserves to win for that year. So this year, talagang it took us a month, no? Para i-deliberate, talagang pinag-usapan, and talagang sinala yung mga mananalo mga teachers.
And there were legs kasi that were nearing the deadline, the submission. So you have to give them time then to submit their nominations. I think one of them is just a few days away from the deadline, and one of them is the awardee here. Yeah.
How fulfilling po itong experience nito para sa inyo as a chairman?
Sorry.
How fulfilling?
Sorry, pero it's a lot of countless nights na walang tulog. All the negotiations or the initiating the conversation with the different chapters. It's very fulfilling. It is part of the vision of JCI Manila, or JCI in general, is to be the foremost network of young leaders, and the mission is to provide leadership development opportunities to young active citizens. And this is part of the process that we're doing this to empower not only teachers but also the Department of Education to help us out. This and the other JCI chapters to determine sino yung mga teachers that are interested in these advocacies we have.
Anong platform or anong klaseng help ang mabibigay ninyo sa 10 winners? Anong mabibigay ng Toga sa 10 winners?
Well, since we've already done this in the past couple of years, siguro yun yung mga magiging testimony namin. Some teachers were promoted, some teachers were recognized by their schools, or nabigyan sila ng karangalan. And we are very much grateful for these teachers and institutions na nire-recognize nila yung program na Toga, na nakatulong dun sa mga teachers natin mapabago. Hindi lang yung mga buhay ng mga estudyante nila, pero yung mga buhay din ng mga teachers natin.
Nakaraos tayo for another year with Toga. Tuloy-tuloy talaga ito as a flagship program ng JCI.
Yes, this is already considered as a legacy program of JCI Manila. So this will continue for the next couple of years, and we want to share this so that we can empower not only teachers but also people to aspire to become something.
So, pinag-uusapan na rin ang next na Toga?
Pinag-uusapan pa rin. Actually, pinag-uusapan na rin yung legs kung i-continue natin para at least dire-diretso pa rin. Hindi pa rin tayo tumitigil sa pagtulong.
Yes. as much as being online kasi is a good way to reach, yung impact kasi ng on-site legs is very different than the experience from hosting an on-site event or advocacy talks. Iba pa rin yung nakuha nating emotions from the teachers. May mga umiiyak na nga dahil sa, hindi ko kung dahil sa tuwa o sa na-inspire sila. May mga ganong emotions talaga na nakita namin, and sana for the next coming years, matuloy din nila ang pagbigay ng on-site advocacy talks. Yes.
And last for me, ano yung pinaka-message, huling message natin na gusto mong maiparating sa mga Pilipino about JCI in general and TOGA rin?
So JCI is more on creating positive change, not only to the communities but to oneself. So it's a leadership development org. So dito kami na develop more personal development din ang nakuha namin from JCI. Not only the network that we have, connections that we have made from this program and from other programs as well. And if you want to be a JCI member, they can reach out to a member kasi it's a very exclusive organization. It's only invited. Applicants are only invited here. So if you have what it takes naman to the time, the resources to create positive change and make an impact talaga sa community. Not only community but also for yourselves din talaga. If you're longing for that change in yourself, then please join JCI.
Thank you po.